Okay, for this project, what you're going to do is you're going to find something that you think kind of looks like a parabola. And you're going to take a picture of it. So this is the document camera that I used to make all the class videos. And the neck is flexible, so I bent it to be kind of like a parabola. All right, so to add the picture into Desmos, you just click here and image, and then go find the picture that you want. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to put points on this. So what I would do is I would insert a table. And then, here's a good trick. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go like 0, 4. Okay, and you'll notice I want the lower arc here. You'll notice that's too high. But what you can do, if you click here and hold, you can make drag an option. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to drag it down here. So it's on that spot right there. And that's 0.16, 3.41. So I'm going to put that here, 0.16, 3.41. Type it in correctly. Okay, so there's my first point. So that's looking to me like it's the vertex. You don't necessarily have to find the vertex, but I think it's a good one. All right, then I'm just going to drag this around to some other spots that look like they're on the parabola and record those points. 1.44, 2.9. And my suggestion would be the vertex, 2 points on the right and 2 points on the left. All right, so I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll find the other points. You don't need to watch that. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my vertex marked. I've got 2 points on the right, 2 points on the left. Now I'm going to come down and ask Desmos to make a quadratic regression for me. So y1 twiddle ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. And you can see it finds the quadratic regression. So now the question that I want you to answer is, do you think the curve, whatever curve you've picked, do you really think it's a parabola? My answer to this would be definitely not. Because I'm looking at, it does not, the parabola that's drawn here, let's change the color so it's a little bit more visible. The parabola here doesn't stick with the arc of the gooseneck later on. So it's decent for the points I've picked, but definitely bad for any other points. And if you really wanted to check this, what you could do is drag this down, find another point there, add another point into your table, negative 2.22, 0.34, and you see that this quadratic regression that it draws gets worse and worse than let me rephrase that. The parabola is less following the gooseneck than it was before. All right, so that's going to be the idea behind this project. Find a picture that looks something like a parabola. Find 5 points. Use the quadratic regression. And then tell me, do you think it's a parabola, yes or no?